Welcome back. Today is day 10 in our factoring unit. We're going to try to solidify our factoring skills again today. We will use the strategy I call 360 Whiteboard for practice. There's a nice website that gives a good background of this strategy. Just follow the link below. All right, let's begin. First thing you should see is a screenshot of 360-degree math. If you want to find more information, that'd be a great resource to look at. And second, I just want to show you how my classroom is set up for these kind of activities.